Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer here from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 10th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see the markets trade lower initially today. This after Macy's announced lower than expected holiday sales numbers, and American Airlines lowered their guidance. So initially we saw a bit of a sell-off, then we started to rally and actually finished higher for the fifth straight session. The Dow was higher by 122 points. The S&P 500 gained 11.5, while the Nasdaq added about 30 points today, and the Russell gaining 6.5 points. The bond market pulling back, that lifted the yield on the 10-year note back to 2.748%. Crude oil was pretty flat today. I mean, it was lower earlier and then made it all back, while gold futures pulling back about 5 points, this on a rally in the US dollar. Now, an interesting chart to share with you is Netflix. And Netflix was dropping steadily here and hit a low of 231.23 back on the 26th of December. But since then, it has rallied strong, and today closed at 324.66. And now we hear after market close that Netflix was given an upgrade by an analyst at UBS. It was moved to buy from hold and given a new price target from 400 to 410. And that is lifting the stock after hours. It is higher by almost 2% after hours. So really, can we expect this to continue? If we look at the weekly chart here, certainly a nice bounce, but still has some overhead resistance to overcome. If we go to the monthly chart, certainly looks a lot more promising. And here we are. It looks like we are on our way back to these highs at 423.21, and if it manages to get there, certainly this carries a lot of weight on the Nasdaq and is closely watched, and would certainly help a lot of those tech stocks regain some lost ground here. So there are a number of monthly setups like this out there now, but the thing to keep in mind is this monthly bar has not closed just yet, so we do have to be patient here. Wait for the month to finish off here, and then look for follow through on this bar. And if we get it, I'd say we're well on our way back to that 423.21. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.